Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to crochet a beautiful floral coaster, a perfect touch of charm for your table, desk, or as a thoughtful handmade gift. It's decorative, functional, and full of joy to make. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook for this project. So grab your materials, get comfortable, and let's crochet together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of relaxing and creative content. For round 1, make a magic ring, then chain 3. Inside the ring, crochet 12 double crochets. Close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the starting chain. Great job starting the base. Tip: make sure your stitches are evenly spaced in the magic ring. This helps the coaster lay flat. Don't worry if it curls a bit, we'll shape it later. For round 2, chain 3. Then, work 12 double crochet increases. That means 2 double crochets in each stitch from the previous round. Slip stitch to close the round. Wonderful progress. Tip: count carefully to make sure you have 24 stitches at the end. It's okay to pause and double check. Next is round 3. Chain 3, then repeat this pattern 12 times. 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip. 1 stitch. Slip stitch to join. Your coaster is starting to bloom. Tip: place a stitch marker at every skip if you're new. It keeps the pattern flowing easily. Let's move to round 4. Chain 3. Now, repeat 12 times, double crochet increase, 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip. 1. Finish with a slip stitch. Look at that texture forming, great work. Tip: keep your chains loose so the petals curve naturally. For round 5, chain 3. Then repeat 12 times, double crochet increase, 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip. First slip stitch to join. You're doing a fantastic job. Tip: try gently tugging the coaster flat after finishing each round. It helps with shape. Last round of the base, chain 3. Now repeat 12 times. Double crochet increase, 4 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, join with a slip stitch. And there you have it, a complete flower base. Tip: this is a good moment to steam block the piece if you'd like a perfectly smooth shape. Time to add leaves. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Then repeat. Chain 4, skip 2 stitches, single crochet. Continue this pattern until the end and slip stitch to join. The leaf loops are forming nicely. Tip: keep your chain loops even for symmetrical leaves. For round 2 of the leaves, chain 1. Now alternate 2 patterns all the way around. Esi, 3 vahui kechi dahui, ega dahuesi ohdui, e kaholi, 2 koi, esi, 7 kol, turn, skip 4, slip stitch, 3 chain, single crochet. Slip stitch to finish the round. The leaves now have a nice 3-dimensional shape. Tip: don't pull too tight when turning. A gentle hand creates beautiful curves. Now for the final floral touch. Into each space work single crochet, chain 2, 4 extended double crochets, chain 2, single crochet. Repeat this 5 times, then slip stitch to finish. Your flower coaster is complete and looks lovely. Tip: for fuller petals, gently fluff the extended double crochets with your fingers. And that's it. Your floral coaster is ready. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more relaxing and creative crochet videos. Share your finished work with us in the comments. I'd love to see what you made. See you next time. and happy crocheting!